down, I know you got me.
Hello everyone, my name is Sesi, and today I'm going to talk about the clothes I wear every day, but I will only choose 5 outfits that I wear on a daily basis. List of 10 clothes items in English. 1. T-shirt. 2. Cardigan. 3. Hijab. 4. Culottes. 5. Sandals. 6. Jeans. 7. Hoodie. 8. Sneakers. 9. Blouse. 10. Skirt. Explanation of 5 selected clothing items. 1. T-shirt. I choose the t-shirt because it's light, comfortable, and suitable for daily activities such as staying at home. T-shirts are also easy to pair with jeans or culottes. 2. Cardigan. I choose the cardigan because it provides warmth and adds style, especially during cool weather. I usually wear it to campus or when going to air-conditioned place. 3. Hijab. I wear the hijab every day as a form of self-expression and part of my belief. The hijab also helps make my appearance more modest and neat. 4. Culottes. I like wearing culottes because they are loose, comfortable, and style look tidy, are suitable for both casual and semi-formal activities. 5. Sandals. Sandals are very practical and comfortable, especially in hot weather. I wear them when going out for informal activities such as shopping.
Hello everyone, my name is Sesi, and today I want to share my thoughts on why school is important.
In this video, I will explain why school is very important for children. Through a simple and easy to understand explanation, the video highlights several key reasons why formal education is necessary.
Building knowledge and skill, school provide a foundation of knowledge in various subjects, such as mathematics, science, and language, which are essential for a child's intellectual development. Developing social skills at school. Children learn to interact with peers, work in groups, and develop effective communication skills. Preparing for the future. Formal education prepares children for future challenges, whether in pursuing higher education or entering the workforce. Fostering discipline as responsibility. Through daily routines and school assignments, children learn to manage their time, complete tasks on schedule, and take responsibility for their action.
That's all about my presentation. Thank you for watching. See you and bye bye.